What's up, everybody? My name is Ike Stevens, and I'm formerly known as the Redneck Cruiser. And, well, I'm here now. As Blue Collar Cruising. This is the channel name now. Been sitting there tossing around names and all that kind of stuff. We're going to get the whole redneck kind of, I don't know. I guess that's a negative thing, I guess. I don't know. Maybe in 2021, it is a negative thing. And we really, when we bring our cruising life and, to video, as you guys know, if you ever been on a cruise ship, you know that, being on a cruise is a positive thing. You don't really allow politics or lifestyles separate you because everybody's there for one reason: to have fun on a cruise ship. And it doesn't matter what your background is. And so when I bring the term redneck to the channel here, it almost kind of brings in a negative stigma to it, and kind of want to get away from that. That's what we've got with this channel. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about myself and what to expect from this channel. So I've been cruising since 2015. All I've done is a Carnival Dream out of New Orleans, and we've had other cruises booked. Unfortunately, we've had all these cruises cancel. I've been doing cruise videos since 2015 was my first cruise. Not really known as a cruise vlogger. Hopefully that will change. I really like doing this. I really like being on cruising and cruises and filming, putting our vacation to video, whether have music or what have you in the background. I really have fun doing it, and I enjoy talking about cruises all the time. I've got 3 cruises booked. I got Thanksgiving cruise on the Carnival Glory. I've got 2 Vista cruises, Carnival Vista out of Galveston next year, and hopefully more. And I'm going to be filming those. Thanksgiving is a long time away, and who knows if we're going to be cruising? Well, I'm inspired by people like Don's Family Vacations and Lido, Loca. I love those channels. Those channels are my top 2 channels on YouTube all together. And I watch a lot of YouTube. I watch a lot of freaking YouTube. And when I sit there, when they post a video every day, I like, those guys have got it. They've got a better background. They've got all this kind of stuff. Because of YouTube, I've been fortunate enough to, quit my job and do YouTube full time. But I'm not really known for this kind of setting. But on this channel, we're going to be known for this type of setting until we get cruising going. Now, I have green screen stuff in a closet somewhere. Yes, I'm in my bedroom, folks. I am in my bedroom. We're going to be doing, hopefully, I'm not sure if we're going to be doing daily videos because I've got other stuff I've got going on other channels that require more of my time. We're going to talk about what's going on with the CDC, but we're going to get it in the blue collar kind of, I don't want to say, country boy kind of style. That's all I am, and that's all I can do, and all I can do is be myself. Everybody has their thoughts on what's going on, and I love to put my thoughts out there. Now, I am a Carnival guy. A lot of these guys do other cruises like Royal Caribbean and NCL and all that kind of stuff, MSC. I have not done those cruises. Not saying I ever will or won't or whatever. I'm a Carnival guy. I like my Carnival. Like I said, we've got 3 cruises booked here for the next year. I've got Thanksgiving, I've got February, I've got June of next year so far. Can't wait to film those. Can't wait to get back on the friggin' ship. Until then, we're going to be out here doing some videos right here, talking about cruising, talking about all the stuff that we love and miss. All right, I love the cruising life, and I'm very fortunate where I could do more cruises now if we could get our act together and start cruising again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys if you're subscribed and hitting that like button. Hit it right now. Just hit it. And shout out to Don's Family Vacations, Lido, Loca. I love their channels. I love their perspective. Shout out to those guys. You guys have inspired me to pick this thing up, and we'll do better. We'll do better than this right here. But tell me, guys, what you think, and I'll start doing maybe daily videos. That's maybe a little bit too much for me. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you want. Blue Collar Cruising. We're trying to appeal to the working man, the working woman, the people out there that are just, busting their tail out there day in and day out. It's like, hey, vacation time's coming. Go on a cruise. You are not going to regret it. And that's the reason why we named this Blue Collar Cruising. Well, anyways, from Wascom, friggin' Texas, we'll holler at you guys later. 73.